Hi, my name is Tenzin Wangyal. I'm very happy to make short announcement about the new movie here, My Son Tenzin, which is directed by Tashiwang Chula and main actor Tsering Bawala, and then the whole crew team have done excellent job. And myself and my family, we went to see. We were very moved how they have put things together. Very moving, heartfelt, and also very funny. So we really need more and more younger Tibetan actors, directors to produce these kind of film more. Because as Tibetan culture transitions from by different countries in different time, there's a lot of changes in society, social issues, and so it's highly recommended to those who have not watched. So thank you so much.